Hi, I'm Rex Jonathan Kaploma. Welcome to this tutorial on restoring your database on render.com. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process of deleting an existing database, creating a new one, and setting up a connection in PG admin. So let's get started. Alright, next we'll create a new database. So we need to create a new database. I'll click on the new, this one, then bottom, and I select database from the drop down menu, this one. For this new database, I will choose the Postgre SQL, so this one. And then as the type, it's essential to give this database a different name from the previous one, so I will call it assign 340 02. After configuring any necessary settings, I will click create database. Now we have our new database ready to go. Step 3, deleting existing connection in PG admin. Now let's switch over to the PG admin to remove the old connection. I open my PG admin and locate the existing connection to the old database. I click on the connection. Yeah, this one. Then right click and select remove saver. To remove it, this step is crucial before you use create and a connection to our new and created database. Next, create a new connection to a new database. I click on create and then save. Then I give the name of render, and then I go on connection. I paste I should put the new database credentials, the host name provided by render, the port number, for Postgre SQL, my username and password. So lastly, I will enter the name of the new database. Once everything is fulfilled out, I will set the connection. Right, from there go back to render.com, just to copy a username, then I'll go back again to my PG admin, then I'll paste the maintenance database, and the username should be the same. And from there I'll go back again to render.com. I go back again the password, so I need to paste that password on my PGA admin. Then I put this password to be saved, then I click save the connection. Alright, now let's run the SQL code from our rebuilding file. I open the rebuild file in the PGF admin. I will ensure all queries are selected and exited them as I said. This is will get the type object, the three tables, and the populate the classification and the vector tables. So let's see. Yeah, this is the table. Thank you.